Well, the real estate market is good again, and there are many great options if you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance your home. But you should know what questions to ask when shopping for a mortgage. So joining me now is Bill White, mortgage expert and vice president of real estate from NASA Federal Credit Union with more. Good morning, Bill.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for being here on the Morning Blend. Let's talk about the housing market in general. What can buyers and sellers really expect to see in the next few months?
Yeah, the latest housing numbers out that cover April show where good news for sellers, home values continue to increase. In fact, at a clip of 12% over April of last year. So the recovery is rather robust. Great news for sellers. For buyers, however, you're going to be paying more for that home that you've got your eye on, coupled with interest rates that have been increasing. Now's the time to move if you're on the fence.
All right. Well, there are some programs, though, to help buyers out there, including some that I've heard that require no money down. So let's kind of highlight or go through some of those options for those who are buying.
There are many options out there for someone looking to buy a home as far as getting the financing. For example, if you're a veteran, VA still has a 100% financing option. USDA, there are some restrictions, but if you qualify, they've got a 100% product, as does NASA Federal Credit Union. There is also FHA available, still a low down payment of 3.5%, and there are still a myriad of programs under that you can qualify for.
Okay. If someone's looking to finance or refinance, what's the difference between going to a bank and a federal credit union? Are there a big difference when it comes to the money that you're going to be given?
Not necessarily in the money you're going to be given or you can qualify for. It's just the programs and structuring it to an individual need. A lot of the big banks aren't quite as flexible. Either you fit or you don't, whereas your credit unions are more member specific and are more willing and able to work with you on designing a lending program that best fits your needs, coupled with aggressive interest rates with credit unions, and more importantly, the fees charged by credit unions are usually going to be substantially less to get the mortgage in general.
I've heard a lot of talk. Several of my friends who've used credit unions lately and just kind of raved about, doing that. But do you have to join a credit union or work for them? How does that work for people who haven't used one before?
Yeah, typically credit unions are member driven and you have to become a member. There are different qualifications for membership. For example, NASA Federal, we have various associations and business relationships and since we are a federally chartered credit union, our membership is throughout the country. We make it simple. You can go right to our website, fill out an online application to become a member, and then you're able to take advantage of very unique and special offers for our membership.
Can you just open a savings account and join? Is it that easy?
It is. With the membership, there is a small process involved, but we make it easy, as do most credit unions. And as little as $5 in a share account is all that's necessary to become a member. And then the doors open for all these special offers.
Okay, that's great. How about in terms of just families looking to better manage their money? Are there programs out there for them as well?
Yes, you should contact your current financial institution or investigate in your local area or with a NASA Federal what they offer that can help a family have better access to their funds. For an example, there's an offer by NASA Federal where your direct deposit on your payroll can be available up to 2 days earlier than you currently have. Auto loans is another example. There is an offer out there, at least with NASA Federal, where we'll beat your current rate by 2% over what your current auto is. So there are a lot of benefits to credit unions in general.
That's wonderful. I think it's great information for anyone looking to buy, sell, refinance, look for an auto loan, any of those options. It really sounds great. Is there a good website to visit to learn more?
Yes, www.nasafcu.com.
Sounds great. Thanks for being here with us on the Morning Blend, Bill.
Thank you, Tiffany.
Absolutely.